So guys, we're looking at the Florida Ocean. Ocean. This is Angus and this is Cathy. We're going to C8 because we have to know what we should be doing. Good things to do for emergency things, you know. So before going to the deck. Deck 7. Alright, we're going to medyo malayo-layo pa kasi C16, C8. That's the view walking around here. Char lang. Ay, grabe, nakapag-cruise na talaga tayo, guys. This is it because we planned this around 2021 but hindi kami natuloy because of the circumstances of the world. Char lang. Ano siya, guys? Very, very nice view. Look at the view. We're going to C8 pa. Medyo mahaba-habang lakarin ang aming mga exercises. We have to go to C8 daw because gihangak na ko og nilakaw. Grabe. So, among plans, maadto mi sa C8, then maadto mi sa mga rooms, and then mag-tour daw mi sa buong ship for the whole afternoon and then eat so that makabalo nami where to go kung naami mga tuyos sa tibuok barko. Barko nga dako kaayo.
Malapit na C8.